Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaytal, and today we'll be doing the project overview of Shobha Neopolis, which is located right here in Panatur, South Bangalore, a project developed by Shobha Developers. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project, and right now I'm standing inside the land parcel itself. So starting from the main entrance, here they will come up with the main entrance of the project, and this is the internal road of the project. So entering from here, this is your land parcel where the construction work is going on and the towers are under construction. Now about the marketing office, so they are operating their marketing office from the clubhouse of your project itself, and this is your beautiful clubhouse. That is the marketing office for now. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is spread across 25 acres of massive land parcel, consisting of 19 towers in all, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 18 floors, having exclusive 1, 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 1 BHK and 3 BHK is sold out, and we have units available for 4 BHK. Now let's discuss about the location part, but before that let me show you that right now I'm standing on the main entrance of the project, and here they will come up with the main entrance, and this project is directly located on Silver Oaks Main Road in Panatur, Belligere, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So exactly in front of the entrance, this is the Silver Oaks Main Road, and this road on my right hand side will connect you towards Belligere Main Road, and the opposite side road will take you towards Panatur Main Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So East Bangalore ORR is just 3 kilometers away from the project. Prestige Tech Park is 3.5 kilometers away, and Karuvesanahali metro station is 4.7 kilometers from the location of the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities. There are total of 3 clubhouses in the project. One of them is this beautiful aesthetic clubhouse right behind me, with temperature control pool, gymnasium, sitting pavilion, kids play area, landscape garden and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project offers you exclusive 1 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 1 BHK and 3 BHK is completely sold out. So your 1 BHK is of 660 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1611 to 1915 square feet, and 4 BHK is 2481 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window is open now, and we are inviting our clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model unit as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Shobha Neopolis, which is located right here in Panatur, South Bangalore, a project developed by Shobha Developers.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.